What's in my Cash App investing? What up YouTube, it's your boy Jermaine back with another video. This video, I thought I would make a video showing what's in my Cash App. I just recently started investing with the Cash App about a month ago, and I made a video showing what I'm investing in the Cash App. And I have I really want like $10,000 in this account, and I am growing this account, and I want to show you guys what's in this account. So let's go over and check out my Cash App right now. All right, here we have it. Let's go over to the Cash App. And what I have available, $314. I've been moving money around, and we're gonna go over to invest in here. And we are at $3,567.80. Wow, what an increase. What an increase. Let's just talk about this. Let's rap about this for a second. So if we scroll down, we'll see total investment here. And total investment is $2,464. This is all the money that I put into the Cash App. This is my total gain over here, which is $1,101.31, which is really, really high. One thing I really like about the Cash App, they don't show you a percentage here. So with the Robinhood app, they're gonna show you like a percentage, like the percentage that I'm up versus the amount of money that I've invested. I like the fact that they don't show you a percentage, because a lot of times when you see percentages, like you're up 100% on a stock, it makes you like not want to invest in that stock, because if you keep investing in that stock, it'll like make that 100% number go down. And also if you want to sell a stock, it'll make you like not want to sell a stock because you don't want that number to go down. But if they don't show you the percentages, like they don't show you on the Cash App, that just looks really, really cool. So here we go. I'm just going to scroll down here. Tesla has completely taken over this account. I believe in the last video I was invested in like Verizon and also AT&T and a few other companies. I've basically sold off all the shares, and now I am focusing heavy on Uber and Beyond Meat. I really wasn't focusing so much on Tesla because Tesla got to a point where I just stopped buying Tesla. As of today, Tesla is up 13%, which is just insane. My total investment on Tesla is $662. Now, I just bought this like a month ago, and my total gain is what, $863. This is just pretty insane. We can go back and look at my purchase history. I'm just sort of doing a walkthrough with the Cash App as well. If you guys are watching this from the Cash App, please make a dark mode, because I really don't like staring at this white screen all the time. Please make a dark mode, okay? And they just recently added more information about the companies. In my last video, about a month ago, they did not have like company information, so I like the fact that they added company information. That is pretty cool and pretty informative. So in this account, like I said, I really want to focus on Uber. I really want to buy Uber. I want about 300 shares of Uber. I think as of now, I have about 170 shares. And I want to purchase all these shares under $50 a share. And this is going to be a long-term play, like something I want to hold for more than 5 to 10 years. I want to hold Uber just like I want to hold Tesla. These are going to be long-term plays. And Uber's definitely doing good. I'm up. I've invested 4 in Uber, $1,234 in Uber, and I'm up $153. Now Uber has earnings coming out this week. As of the making of this video, I'm making this video on Tuesday the 4th. I'm gonna release this video pretty much right after I make this video. But yeah, Uber has earnings coming out this week, so it'll be exciting to hear what Uber is announcing. They're probably getting closer and closer to profitability, which is pretty cool. Beyond Meat is a long-term play that I want to hold. The thing with Beyond Meat, it's already, I would say it's pretty overvalued already. This is why I don't own more shares of Beyond Meat. I'm really looking for the stock price to come down. I really like Beyond Meat under $100 a share. Right now it's trading at about $110. I guess it wouldn't be a bad day to invest in Beyond Meat, but I really like the under $100 share amount. Beyond Meat, it's up 4% today. Beyond Meat swings a lot. This is one of those stocks that it does a lot of swinging. Oh my gosh. So it's very, very volatile. It kind of reminds me of Tesla to a certain degree. Tesla is just insane. We just look at Tesla for the week. We're up 54% just for this week. We look at Tesla for the month. We're up more than 100% on Tesla for the month. And if we look at Tesla for the year, it just gets better. We're up 176% for the year. I don't know if Tesla is going to continue going up, guys. Tesla is actually getting scary. Every morning I wake up and I'm checking Tesla and I'm just like, wow, when is this going to chill out? Like this is getting crazy. And Tesla's taking over this whole video, just like Tesla is taking over all of my stock accounts. So we have Facebook here. You know, Facebook is one of those long-term plays that I want to hold because I don't think Facebook is going anywhere. I think people are going to continue to use Facebook. I think the ads for Facebook are going to continue to go up. But Facebook is one of those companies, it's already $200 a share. You know, it's already, where's Facebook right now? Facebook is at $277 a share, and I'm actually at a loss on this. I'm at a loss of $3.60, which is not a bad loss, but I don't like to see losses, but wow, Facebook. Now, Apple has just been on a tear. In this account, I just really didn't invest in a lot of Apple. I'm not really investing in a lot of Apple anymore. I'm investing more into Tesla and Uber and Beyond Meat. Those are my 3 big investments right now for long-term growth. And Apple is, I don't know. I mean, Apple looks like it's still good. Apple's up well over 100% for the year. Oh, 84% for the year. Apple, it kind of fell a little bit. But yeah, that's really good. And you got to think Apple pays a dividend on top of that. So they're up crazy amounts and they still pay a dividend on top of that. So that's like a double whammy, like double good, you know? But I don't know if, I'm pretty sure Apple won't go up 80% this year. Because that'd be just 2 years back to back, you know. I don't know if you could just can just do that. So this is just a walkthrough of my Cash App investing app. Just want to just go ahead and show you guys. Maybe in about a month I'll do another video and I will show you guys like what's going on in my Cash App investing app. You can see like how the numbers have changed. You can see what stocks I've bought and sold and stuff like that. And yeah, I just want to make a video talking about the Cash App investing app. But anyway, let's wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching. Peace out, yo.